Alright guys, so basically now you already know how to add a database within your hosting account. For those of you who would like to add additional domain, whether you're a business owner who would like to build another website for one of your other businesses, or if you've enrolled into the academy with the idea in mind that you want to create an agency and build websites on behalf of your clients, then you're going to need to know how to add additional websites or domains to your hosting package. So nothing has changed from the previous video, and I'm just going to touch on it very briefly, although I'm going to back it up with some more information that you need to know. Alright, so you're going to scroll down to domain section again. You're going to click on add-on domains. You're going to do exactly what you've done in the previous video. I'm not going to go through it and add another domain again. You can just refer back to the previous video that shows you exactly how to do this. You click add domain and that's it. You have now created the database for your new domain. So in short, you head over to Web Africa, you register your domain by buying it. You then hop into your cPanel and you go to add-on domains. Within the domain section, you add that new domain to your hosting package. And then and only then will you be able to connect the name servers, which you'll find at the bottom of your HostGator account, to your new domain in your Web Africa account, so that the two services can communicate freely to each other. So with the package that you purchase, it allows you to host about 10 different websites. So if you're doing it for clients, you can probably host about 10 different clients before you need to go and purchase an additional baby package from HostGator. If you're just doing this for yourself, you have plenty of room to play around with different websites. It all boils down to the amount of people that you're getting to your website. They also refer to it as visitors or traffic. So if your website is getting, say, between 100 and 500 visitors per day, that's perfectly fine, and your server will be able to cope with that. If you start getting excessive traffic of, say, about 5,000 visitors per day, then you're probably going to struggle with having 10 websites all getting that amount of traffic, and you might have to upgrade earlier. And the other contributing factor is how much space you're using per website. Again, see your hosting as a hard drive, and it only has so much space. So once you start running out of space, then you also need to upgrade. So if you have maybe 10 fairly average websites and you want to add, say, 3 very big websites with a lot of data and a lot of content, then you might have to upgrade after your 10th one. But if the content of them are average, you got a few videos on, a few blog posts, some images, even up to 20 pages per website, that's perfectly fine. But like I say, if it's a website that consists out of a lot of data and it's a very heavy website when it comes to files, the images weren't compressed properly, the images are all, say, 3-4 megabyte upwards, and you're using about 100 of them or 500 of them per website, that's considered as a fairly large website. So to recap, if you want to install more websites or additional domains to your hosting package, you first go and purchase the domain that you want. You then hop over to your cPanel, you create a database as I've shown you how to do. The third thing you're going to do is take your name servers from your cPanel. You then go back to Web Africa, link the two together, and click change name servers, and you're done. You then have to wait about 24 to 48 hours for the propagation period to take place. And once that's happened, you need to install WordPress. And once you've installed WordPress, you'll see your site live when you type in the domain name into your browser. Once you see your site live, you can now head over to the admin section, which is the back end of WordPress, where you will be able to do all the editing necessary to build your website. Alright guys, so in the next video I'm going to explain to you the 2 different portals within HostGator, so it's not so confusing to you. I'll see you in the next video.